So how does it make you feel when somebody's being nosy, when they're prying? Maybe they're asking questions that are a little bit too deep or maybe even a little bit personal. It doesn't feel good, does it? Now, we all know how that feels, which is why in sales, we for sure don't want to come off like that. Hence the problem, hence the paradox here. We don't want to be pushy, we don't want to be nosy, we don't want to pry, but we have to figure out our prospect's current situation. We got to figure out what's going on in their life, and more importantly, the why, and kind of the why behind the why. And the more whys you can go deep, the more you're going to understand, and the more you're going to be able to put value in that gap of what's going on right now, your solution, what's the value in you solving that problem for them. So, how do you ask questions without prying, without being pushy? It's amazing, but this works. You got to trust me on this one. All I want you to do is I want you to add this softener, and it's weird. It's like a universal unlock key, okay? And there's different versions. I'll teach you a few different versions of this throughout your training, but probably my favorite one is just out of curiosity, right? Just out of curiosity, when you say budget, compared to what? Your system that you have right now, other systems that you're looking at, or what you had expected to pay, okay? Notice how when I put that softener in front, just out of curiosity, I suddenly become a professional that's thinking about solving the problem versus, hey, when you say budget, compared to what you're paying right now, other software that you're looking at, or what you were hoping to pay. Now I'm just kind of being forceful and manipulative. But if I just slow down, just out of curiosity, like poof, something just hit me. Just out of curiosity, when you say budget, compared to your system right now, other solutions that you're looking at, or what you had expected to pay, now I'm collaborative, now I'm taking an interest in you, and now it's a lot easier for you to give me the information I need you to give me because you don't think I'm being prying, you don't think I'm being a pest. The world of sales has completely changed. Today's customer has access to more information. Today's customer has more choices. The business world needs you. Studies have shown that 84% of salespeople fail to achieve their goals. The old sales training, well, it just doesn't work today. I'd like to teach you how to take the stress out of selling in a way that's meaningful to you and your customers and get you 7 times more business. I'll show you how the perfect sales process works. I'm gonna walk you through everything from prospecting to closing the deal. I'm gonna show you how to determine your prospects' wants and their needs so you can build value in your solutions. You will learn how to handle any objection or complaint. I'm gonna show you how to connect with your customer so it's easy for them to buy from you. I've taught the best companies in the world and thousands of people just like you how to hit their targets. Selling is complicated. I'll simplify it for you. There's more competition than ever before. I'm gonna show you how to be number one. All of a sudden, your career, it's gonna make perfect sense, even if you've never worked in sales or the corporate world before. And for the advanced sales professionals, I'm gonna show you how to take things to the next level. Easton University is a new, simple, step-by-step process that's effective in any industry, large or small. You are about to become a certified master sales consultant. I'm Matt Easton, and this is Easton University.